Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the multi-lift personal transfer lift system shown to lift a user from the bed into the wheelchair in the back of your RV or motorhome. The great thing about the multi-lift is that it's a multi-purpose lift. So this same lift that we're using in the back of the RV with this custom mount can be used in the front of the RV to raise a user into the motorhome, exit the motorhome, and even to transfer to different locations in the front of the motorhome. But it doesn't stop there. Lots of different options for your multi-lift system will allow you to get into and out of your bedroom or bathroom at home. That's the same cordless lift. Used on a portable base is also possible. You can use it to lift a wheelchair into and out of the back of a pickup truck, into a van, in a wide variety of environments, swimming pools, hot tubs, you name it. If you need to lift and transfer, you might be able to use this system to do it. So let's give it a try. I'm going to bring you right in here. Now have a look at the mounting system. We have a mount on the floor right here. We're tied into the floor. And again, this is custom designed by our manufacturing operation here in our factory, and then installed by our network of dealers all around the country. Your mileage may vary. This could look completely different on your RV, but each one will be certified and tested to be safe and functional for your particular RV. So let's give it a try here. The sling does not need to be in place ahead of time. You can actually put the sling on at any time. Let's bring you in for a little closer look on connecting the sling. And also, if we can, a little bit of a look at the lift and everything and how it's disposed, the disposition is of the different pieces here. Okay, so we're going to simply connect right here and right here. Raise. And we're down in the wheelchair. Once we're fully down, disconnect the sling, and we're ready to hit the road. If we need to remove the lift, we can take the lift, put it in the front mount, or use the same lift to get into the bathroom. Lots of flexibility for a reasonable budget for the type of product that we're doing here. We really appreciate you taking the time to watch us lift Bonnie in and out of the bed, and really appreciate your finding us on YouTube. If you have any questions, please contact us at www.accessunlimited.com. You can give us a call at 607-669-4822. And you can also call us evenings and weekends until late at 615-873-0518. We are on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. Follow us on Twitter at accessun. Instagram is Access Unlimited. You can go to our YouTube channel where you probably found this at youtube.com/accessun and see over 2,700 videos of all kinds of options that we have to offer to expand possibilities for people with disabilities. We look forward to hearing from you soon, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope you've enjoyed what you've seen.